My name's Keith and I'm a service training specialist for Kohler engines. Today I'm going to troubleshoot the charging system on this 25 horsepower Kohler Command Pro EFI. Like most repairs, the best place to start is with a visual inspection. Inspect the battery, battery cables, and battery connections at both the engine and the battery. Look for damage, corrosion, and any signs indicating a poor connection. Wiggle the connections to confirm they are secure because the fastener may be tight or seized, but the electrical connection could still be loose. Access to some connections may be restricted, such as the positive cable to the starter in this zero turn. Because it's hard to reach, this connection is likely to be overlooked, meaning it's probably loose if I don't check. Inspect the electrical connector to the rectifier regulator, paying close attention for any signs of a poor connection. This rectifier regulator needs to be grounded to function properly, and uses a ground lead attached from the rectifier regulator body to a metal baffle behind the blower housing. Look for any signs indicating a poor connection, including incorrect fasteners or ground leads, which could be an indication of a previous repair.